Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to talk about how you can sign up in the TalkTalk app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first of all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and tap open the TalkTalk app. Once you tap it open, you can get three options to sign in or create an account. So as you select the phone option, you need to enter your country code and your number. Once you type in your number, where you can get a verification code which you need to enter and create a password. So after you are done doing this both, you need to press on the next button. So once you tap in next, you need to now set your profile by selecting your birth date, your country and your nickname, and then press next. And now you can select your gender, and then you are all signed up in your TalkTalk account. So this is how you sign up in your TalkTalk app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.